Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Nissan Juke and I will show you which fuse to check in case your heated seats stopped working. This video will apply to Nissan Jukes made from 2011 all the way up to 2017. Okay, so the heated seats fuse will be located in a small fuse box just on the side of the dashboard right here. To access the fuses, first you have to remove this cover. This cover is being held by a bunch of black plastic tabs all around, and you just have to pop it off. You can use a flat screwdriver, your fingers, or anything similar. Okay. On the back side of the cover you have a small fuse diagram, and this white piece right here, this is the fuse puller which you can use to remove any of the small fuses. And the heated seats fuse is located right here, and it's a 15 amp blue fuse, and most likely this is the problem with your heated seats. Okay, now if this fuse is good and your heated seats are still not working, then you will have to dig a bit deeper and first test the heated seats switch to make sure it's getting power and that it's working. Then test all the electrical connections and the wiring, and then in the end make sure that the heating elements in the heated seats are good. But if you're lucky, this will be your problem and easy fix. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.